Yes, madam. Good morning, Manisha madam.
Yes,
Good
good morning,
morning,
sir.
sir. How are you?
Janil, you can,
All well.
are you there, Janil?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Praveen, let's start. It's already 5 minutes late. We can start now.
So I will request all the students to on your camera. So, good morning, everyone. I, Janil Shah, on behalf of D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, Navi Mumbai, welcome you all on this International Yoga Day. As you all know, we have gathered here to celebrate the International Yoga Day, which has been celebrated annually on 21st since 2015, and this is the 7th International Yoga Day. Yoga is a physical and mental spiritual practice which originated in India. Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in his UN suggested the date 21st June as an International Yoga Day, as it is the longest day in the year in the Northern Hemisphere. The term yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuja, which means to unite and representing the unification of the body and consequences. Now, I would like to talk about our chief guest, Ms. Manisha Sonwale. She is an yoga consultant and a zoologist. She is also the chairperson of Udan Yam Yoga Health Center at Kharghar. Now, I would like Somani sir to give a speech on today's day.
Namaskar, madam, and good morning to everyone present over here on this platform. As Janil rightly said, this we are celebrating the International Yoga Day today. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, for the first time, proposed in his address to United Nations that this kind of activity should be celebrated across the globe. Actually, yoga is known to we Indians since ages. It is not that the Prime Minister brought this yoga and emphasized on that, but the value what Yoga Day has got today across the globe is because of the consistent efforts of the Prime Minister, and certainly the entire country has been following this International Yoga Day since that day. So we are celebrating this day today, and as Jenny mentioned about the meaning of this yoga, yuja, so as you know that we at DY Patil University School of Pharmacy, Navi Mumbai, are also working on the three aspects of the human being, that is the body, mind, and soul. Probably this yoga is one of the joining aspects to one of the aspect which joins all these three forms of the human being. And we have a great speaker today, that is Mrs. Manisha Sonavli, who has been a yoga practitioner and is going to, surely guide us today. Madam, as requested to you, that this generation is learning online since last almost 13 or 14 months, or maybe more than that. And since we have to deal with digital gadgets on the daily life, we expect that you please give us certain exercises which are going to help us for our body, particularly while dealing with these gadgets today. And I'm really thankful to you that you spared your valuable time with us and going to guide us today on this International Yoga Day. I'm also happy that the Student Council has taken the lead in organizing this event. I'm sure that the instructions being given today, if followed, that is very important, if followed, would be certainly helpful to each and everyone for the development of the mind, body, and soul. Thank you so much, and over to you, Jen.
For giving such a wonderful information. So now I would like to present a video which all FIB students have made for ourselves.
Speeches,
So with your
speeches
permission.
not clear. Speeches not clear.
Hello.
Speeches not clear. Disturbance is there.
Yeah, little bit disturbance is there.
Hello?
Jenny, you can.
Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me?
Yes, madam, we are able to hear you.
Yes, sir. So
Go
our
ahead.
FIB from student have make a video for ourselves.
Good morning, everyone.
So
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, madam.
Yeah. May I start, sir?
नहीं, एक second.
Oh,
एक
good morning,
minute, madam.
everybody.
Madam, wait. Janil, why are you not interfering? Praveen?
Yes, sir. Actually, I think he got confused. Manisha, madam, just a second. They have prepared one video on this yoga day. So they are going to play that video first, and then we are going to start with the session. Janil, you can begin with the video,
Yeah,
presenting video.
So you have to make me a host.
Oh, wait. You can share the screen because you are co-host, Janil.
Sir, not this one, sir. There is another channel show.
Janil, I think we should continue with the ma'am session. Towards the end of the session, we will release that video.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, madam, Manisha, madam, we request you to begin with the session. There are some technical issues. We will release that video towards the end of the session.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Happy International Yoga Day to all. First of all, I would like to thank Rakesh Somani sir for giving me this opportunity to present myself in front of you all students. So, as a student member described what is yoga and how the importance of yoga nowadays, we are facing so many difficult situations, unpredictable situations, and we know that this situation will end, but not immediately. So till that time, we will have to show our patience and we will have to deal with all those uncertainties coming in front of us in our day-to-day life. Okay. So how we handle all the situations? Usually we grow up by going to school, facing the exams, facing the results, and we are only um, used to face those situations, exams and results. Okay, but in our day-to-day life, as we are experiencing these days, that due to COVID situation, so many unpredictable situations come in our life. Okay, so many of our family members are facing unpredictable situations, and we are
I think, madam, there might be some network issue from the madam's end. I'm not able to find her in the meeting. So we'll wait for a few minutes. Sarvari, can you contact madam?
Yes, sir.
hello. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. There was some disconnection for the network. Okay, I'll just continue. Now we are experiencing so many different situations during the from last 13-14 months. Okay, so what is that exactly is required from our end? And we require to stay normal. Okay, so how will we achieve those things? We are coming to know about so many sad sad newses from our surrounding, about our relatives, about our friends, about our near and dear ones. Okay, but we are so helpless in the situation that we are not being able to reach there on time sometimes, and we end up in feeling so guilty for all those things are happening all around, and we are not being able to do anything for that. But let me tell you one thing, only one thing is possible that we can surely do. First is stay into prayers and stay into practices of cooling down your mind, making your mind peaceful, so that when your mind is peaceful, you can handle any difficult situations coming in front of you. We know that when our mind is calm, we have experienced so many difficult and different situations in our day-to-day life, okay, till now. So this is the only key point to handle the present situation. Now, it is not that easy as my words are telling, but it needs for practice. Day-to-day practice will help you a lot in these things. Now, yoga practices, initially it was the belief that only yogis will be able to do those things, and we are not supposed to do those things, and it is not meant for us. But let me tell you one thing, that yoga practices, those were kept hidden from all the sansaric people, and they were practiced secretly by the yogis and all. But with a few years back, it was the study known that it is so very essential for the people, normal common man, layman, because they are facing so many difficult situations in the day-to-day life. Like they have family, they have elders at home, they have children at home, they have colleagues to work with, they have subordinates, subordinates. So many people around, where the mental peace is so very important, so that only then they will be able to live a very good, happy life. Okay. Now, how much time will you have to give? Now it depends on three things. Your health is dependent on three things: ahar, vihar, and nidra. What type of food you intake, what type of physical exercise or movements you have in your day-to-day life, and how much sleep, peaceful sleep you have in the night. Okay. Nowadays we are seeing that children have habit of staying awake in the night and sleeping in the daytime. Actually, that is not the pattern of human beings. Human beings body is meant to work in the daytime when sun is in the sky, and you have to take rest when sun is resting. Okay. So this is the key role these days, because children and people say that we have so much workload, we won't be able to finish that workload. That's the reason we have to stay awake, and we have to work at night and stay awake till late nights. But if you plan your work accordingly and you work it really with the given timetable, if you follow your own timetable properly, all things will be under your control, and you will be able to handle each and every responsibility efficiently. Now, not wasting much time on all these things, I would like to tell you that when is the correct time of practicing yoga. Early morning is ideal time of practicing yoga, because early morning your stomach is empty and you are fresh, so that if you practice all these things for at least half an hour to 45 minutes daily, it will give you proper energy, which will last for the entire days, so that you can give your work, you can work very efficiently. Now, what will happen if you do yogasana daily? You will achieve your health, physical health, mental health, emotional health, and social health. Now, these four health are really very important in these days. Okay. If you have mentally strong, you will be able to face any difficult situation, and you will be able to overcome those difficult situations, and you will be a support system to your family and friends. Okay, that is what really very much required in our day-to-day life these days, especially because we are undergoing pandemic situation. We are not being able to meet our friends, we are not being able to meet our family members, we are not being able to get that support and care from all our members. Those used to give us all those support all these days, we are not being able to meet. But yes, due to these technologies, yes, we are being able to get connected, and we will use these technologies for the betterment of our mindset, thought qualities, and we will overcome this pandemic situation. Now, sir discussed about students and professions sitting for more hours in front of any gadgets. So yes, we will be practicing few Sukshma Vyayam in this session, so that it will give you an introduction to how to keep yourself healthy So pay attention what intake you are taking food, how much sleep you are taking, a quality sleep, because see, we are at home, we will be sleeping and doing our work. That won't help you. When you are sleeping, that should be a rest time, and that should give you a quality sleep. Only then it will help. Now, not wasting much time on lecture, we'll start with the session. Close your eyes, fold your hands, back straight. We'll start with 3 rounds Omkar. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hands, rub it vigorously. Give facial massage. Head. Vyayam. Both the hands in front. Both the hands in front. When you inhale, your hands will go back in such a way that your
Jenil,
Yes, sir.
is there any problem in the session? Because I am not able to hear her since last 4-5 minutes.
hello.
Yes, sir. She
Hello?
was disconnected. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Yeah, yeah. I'll just continue the session. Yeah, there are some internet issues. Maybe that's the reason the session is getting disconnected automatically. Okay, we'll continue with the session. Your hands in front, breathe in, your hands will go behind. Okay, when you see to it that your both the shoulder blades are touching each other. Breathe out, breathe in. It would be great if everybody follows the instructions and do it. Okay, you will feel the difference by the end of the session. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Change, breathe in, hands up, breathe out, hands in front, breathe in, hands up, breathe out, hands in front, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Both the hands, one above the other, right hand up, left hand down, shoulder up, shoulder down, shoulder up, shoulder down, shoulder up, shoulder down, up, down, shoulder up, shoulder down, shoulder up, shoulder down. Switch on your cameras, please. Switch on your cameras, please. Shoulder movements, circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now make a fist of both the hands. Hands in front, circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold your right hand with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, circular motion. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch, clench, stretch, clench, stretch, clench, stretch, clench, stretch, clench, stretch, clench, stretch, clench. Fold your both the hands, your fingers touching your shoulders. Circular motion. 1, 2, circular motion. 3, 4, circular motion. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep your fingers in Dhyan Mudra on your thighs, back straight. Your cheeks and shoulder will be in one line. Cheeks and shoulder one line. We'll do Brahma Mudra. Final posture. Close your eyes. Hold it for 10 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly normal. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normal, backside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normal, forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two, 3, 4, two. Hello, hello, hello,
Ma'am, you are not audible.
hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible now.
Okay, let me check. My end, the speaker is volume is full. Now you, okay, great. Chal. We'll continue with neck rotation. It got disconnected in between. So 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Start, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, all are sitting on chairs or downstairs. Okay. Raise your both the hands. Raise your both the hands. Raise your both the hands. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Both the hands in Namaskar Mudra. Come up. Come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right side turn. Right side turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normal, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normal, open your hands. Open your hands and lean forward. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Or those who are sitting on chair, they can try to touch your forehead on your knees. Come down. While exhalations, come down. Come down while exhalation. 1, 2. Try to hold in that posture. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up while inhaling. Slowly inhale and come up. Very slow, no jerky movements. No jerky movements at all. Now, your right hand up, left hand back. Try to hold your right hand and left hand from behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Now, your right hand behind, left hand up. Try to hold your left hand or right hand from behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Very slowly release. Now, both the hands interlocked. Keep it on your lower abdomen. Keep it on your lower abdomen. Shoulders straight. With a stretch. Come down while exhaling. Come down while exhalations. 1, 2. Try to, those who are sitting on the chair, try to touch your forehead to your knee. And those who are sitting down, try to touch your ground, forehead on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up while breathing. Breathe in, come up, relax. Other exercise, both the hands interlock on your lower back with a stretch. While breathing out, come forward with a stretch. While breathing out, come forward. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Those who are sitting on the chair, try to touch your forehead on the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come in the normal. Slowly come in the normal. Slowly come in the normal. Release. While sitting, we can also do leg exercises. Leg exercises. Both the feet will do up and down feet. Those who are sitting on the floor can extend your both the legs and do up and down. Back straight, both the hands beside your hips. Up, down, up, down. Please switch on your cameras. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Circular motion of the feet without any other body movements. 1, 2, circular motion, clockwise direction. 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the hands up. Both the hands up. With the exhalation, try to touch your feet. Those who are sitting on the floor can touch the feet. And those who are sitting on the chair, try to touch your forehead on the knee and hands on the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Very slowly come up. Very slowly come up. Now, extend both the legs as much as you can extend. Those who are sitting floor, it will be easy for you. Extend both the legs. Those who are sitting on the chair can also extend the legs as far as possible. Both the hands parallel to the ground. Both the hands parallel to the ground. Try to touch both the toes together. Try to touch both the toes together. Your eyes will be gazing your ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. Very slowly come up. Very slowly come up. Now, very slowly come up. I'm not being able to see any videos actually. Please switch on your videos so that I can do the corrections if you are doing. Yeah. Now, back straight, back straight. Both the hands in Chin Mudra. Both the hands in Chin Mudra. We will do eyeball rotation exercises. 5 rounds clockwise direction. Only your eyeballs will move in all the 8 directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Near vision, distant vision. Try to see the nearer object and farmost object. Near vision, distant vision. Near object, distant object. Near object, distant object. Near object, distant object. Close your eyes for a while. Slowly open your eyes. Right hand up. Try to focus on your thumbnail belt. Hand straight. Hand straight. Observe your nail belt. Put its shape, size, color, appearance. Observe it very nicely. Don't blink your eyes till the entire process. Once your eyes are tired, keep your hands down, close your eyes, and try to see the nail belt with closed eyes. We will do 3 rounds of Omkar. Breathe in and exhale out with an Omkar. Breathe in. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. We will do tongue exercises. Tongue exercise 10 times. Now hold your tongue on your soft palate and your eyes will be gazing your nasal tip. Slowly come down, relax, come down, relax. We will do Siha Mudra. Your hands on your knees, your vertebral column will get stretched up. Now your tongue will touch your chest, your eyes will be gazing your in between the eyebrows. Start, normal nostril breathing will be there. I will count till 10 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come in the normal. One more round we will be doing. Again, breathe out. Keep your tongue outside. Let your tongue touch your chest. Both the eyes in between the eyebrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come in the normal. slowly come in the normal. We will do nasal passage cleaning process. With your right hand, right thumb, close your right nostril. Now clean your both the nostrils together. 5 rounds exhalations, only exhalations. Now, now using right hand in this posture, close your right nostril, breathe in from your left nostril, close your left nostril, double the amount, exhale from your right nostril. Eyes closed in the final posture. Close your eyes, breathe in. Just focus on the instructions I will give. You close your eyes. Inhale from your right nostril, close your right nostril, exhale from your left nostril. Breathe in from your left nostril, close your left nostril, exhale out from your right nostril. Double the amount. Breathe in from your right nostril, close your right nostril, breathe out from your left nostril. Breathe in from your left, breathe out from your right. Breathe in from the right, breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left, breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right, breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left, breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right, breathe out from the left. Exhalation from your left nostril will end the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. This process starts from the left nostril and ends in the exhalation through left nostril only. Now, we'll do Bhramari Pranayam, back straight, both the thumb fingers in your ears, eyes closed, breathe in from your nostril and breathe out with humming sound. Start. Next pranayam, we will be doing Shitli Shitkari. Breathe in through your mouth and breathe out through your nose. Start. Breathe in. Tongue out. Fold your tongue. If possible, if not possible, then keep your tongue out in this way. Breathe in through your mouth and breathe out through your nose. Now we will practice 11 rounds of Omkar. Close your eyes, back straight, both the hands in Chin Mudra. Breathe in and breathe out with an Omkar. We will perform 11 rounds Omkar. Breathe in. Om. 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 Shant, Shant, feel the vibrations of Omkar throughout your body. Keep your eyes closed. Now, with your closed eyes, we will go through your tip to head and head to toe. This is the journey towards insight. Start, feel the toes, movements of the toes, relax them, feet, both the feet. Just relax both the feet, both the ankles. Relax your ankles without moving your body parts. Just relax them. Give them order of getting relaxed. Move forward. Your calf muscles. Relax them. Both the calf muscles are relaxed, totally relaxed. Knees, both the knees are relaxed. Both the knees are healthy. Come up. Thighs, both the thighs are healthy. Relax them. No stress, no pains. Move up. Your groin region, all the organs present in your abdomen, relax them. Think of all the systems inside your body: digestive, excretory, nervous system, endocrine glands, all the systems, just relax them. All the organs are relaxed. Move upwards. Look at your rib cage. Observe your heart, lungs, all the delicate organs present inside the rib cage. Just order them to relax. Relax, complete relaxation. Move upwards. Your neck region is relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your hands, elbows, wrist, fingers, palms, complete relaxation. Experience the relaxation of your entire body. Move up your cervical region, totally relaxed, totally relaxed. Your face, lower jaw, upper jaw, mouth, tongue, teeth, gums, nose, cheeks, chin, ear, eyebrows, forehead. Your body, your complete body is relaxed. Your complete body is relaxed. Complete relaxation. You are living in very healthy body, very healthy mind. Your mental status is very strong. Healthy mind, healthy body, healthy emotional health, social health is good. You are living in a very blessed atmosphere. Just give a look towards entire body. Try to come back in the room. Try to come back in the room with the closed eyes. See your feet, toes, ankles, calf muscles, knees, thighs, hip, groin region, abdomen, chest, rib cage, hands, shoulders, neck, face, head, vertebral column, back, completely relaxed. You are completely relaxed. Completely relaxed. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. We'll go for prayer. 3 rounds of Omkar. Breathe in. Om. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaptu Saha Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinamadhitamastu Ma Nirvishavahe. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. We will give auto suggestion to ourselves. I'm feeling better and better, lighter and lighter, full of energy, enthusiasm, and ready for the day-to-day work with lots and lots of positivity and confidence. Rub your hands, rub it vigorously. Heat will generate. Just pass on the heat to all over the body. Your blood circulation will start. Complete massage to your whole body, legs, abdomen, back, complete. Blink your eyes and open with a big clap. Release all your energies which are negative, and your body is full of positive energy. Thank you so much. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes. Now you can
Yeah.
let me know how was the experience. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, madam, we are able
Hello.
to hear you. It was really a wonderful experience.
Okay.
And most importantly, certain exercises like exercises of tongue, I had also never done it, rather seen it. So this was a new learning for me, particularly in today's session. Also, the way you started from the exercises while sitting in the office itself, those are very important for us in our day-to-day life. Okay, so any student wish to share the experience, please come on before we close the session. Janil, you should forward the session. Janil, you are the
Yeah.
host. You should
Even
take
if
the
it,
session ahead. And if you are not audible, somebody else should take it. If there is some problem, then somebody
if there are any queries, you can ask me. If anyone has any queries, I will be able to answer. They can ask.
Sharwari,
Sir,
Hello?
so can we share the
yes,
video now of the
do it.
F5 BPharm students?
Yes, yes. Tushara, I think Janil is not audible. There is some issue, so you can just take over the session, Tushara.
Okay. Okay, sir. Good morning to one and all present over here. I'm Tushara Satar, ecstatic to present the vote of thanks for today's program. I would like to begin with thanking our chief guest, Mrs. Manisha Sunavale, for enlightening us with your presence and uplifting ideology of the importance of yoga in our lives. I'm delighted to thank our principal, Dr. Rakesh Somani, sir, for educating us not only academically, but also to follow a healthy lifestyle physically and mentally. I would like to offer gratitude towards Praveen Nayak, sir, who is the council in charge, our GS, Khush Jain, sports coordinator Harsh Yadav, and other council members for the constant and overwhelming support throughout the program. I would lastly like to thank all the audience for attending our program and making it a great success. Thank you.
Madam, thank you so much. And let's do such kind of session in future also. Thank you. Manisha madam, hope you are able to hear me. Yeah, anyway, Tushara, let's close the session.
Okay, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.